In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your WhatsApp number in Facebook Marketplace updated for 2025. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a small business owner, or just someone who loves to stay in touch with your marketplace contacts, integrating WhatsApp with your Facebook account can be a real game changer. Let's dive right in and make it happen. First, you'll need to head over to Facebook, open your preferred web browser and type in www.facebook.com, then hit enter. This is where our journey begins. If you're not logged in, make sure to enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're on your Facebook homepage, take a glance at the upper right corner of your screen and you'll notice your profile picture. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. This menu is a gateway to all your account settings and preferences. After clicking on your profile picture, find and select the Settings and Privacy option from the menu. By clicking this, you'll open up a further list of options related to your account management. Within the Settings and Privacy dropdown, you will see a Settings option. Give it a click. This is where all the behind-the-scenes magic happens. In the settings, you can customize your Facebook experience to suit your personal preferences and needs. Now, you're going to want to look for a specific section titled WhatsApp. It's usually listed among other settings. Click on WhatsApp to proceed to the configuration page. Once you're on the WhatsApp configuration page, you'll see the option to add or change your WhatsApp number. This allows you to link your phone number to your Facebook Marketplace account, making it easier for people to contact you directly through WhatsApp. Enter your WhatsApp number. It's important to ensure that the number you're entering is active and correct, since Facebook will use this number to send you a confirmation code. Carefully input your number, check it twice, and then proceed to the next step. You will receive a confirmation code sent directly to your WhatsApp number. This is a security measure to ensure the number is indeed yours. Go ahead and enter the code in the provided field on Facebook. Once you've confirmed the code, your WhatsApp number will be successfully linked. And there you have it. Your WhatsApp number is now connected to your Facebook Marketplace account. This setup allows for straightforward and timely communication, enhancing your selling or buying experience on the platform. Keep in mind that direct communication through WhatsApp can boost your responsiveness, making your interactions more efficient and personable. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more such updates and guides.